What's up, y'all? Day 5 of Bali, and that means we're getting our 5th massage. One massage a day is the goal here in Bali, and this time we're doing it in Ubud. Ubud is one of the spiritual capitals of the world, so we're going to this place called Bore Pijat, and it's supposed to have amazing massages. They're gonna do a massage and then wrap our bodies in herbs and spices, which is supposed to like cleanse something. And then we're going to feel a lot of energy and peace and happiness afterwards. And then maybe we'll be able to take a nap and get caught up on our sleep. So let's see how that goes. We got our jammy jams. I'm gonna put these on and we gotta put our phone away. So we'll see you on the other side. Voila! Okay, we got done. We got a 1 hour kind of like Swedish massage, but then they took us over to this area over here where there is a fire burning, and they had some spices that they had smashed up and heated, and the spices were turmeric, ginger, and cloves. And then they proceeded to take that, rub it all over our bodies, our face, our shoulders, our neck, even my wife's boobs area, our legs, our back, and so they did that, and then they basically put us in a oven, a sauna, for 30 minutes where we cooked. So the spices cooked on our skin, they absorbed into our bodies in order to just cleanse the energy, cleanse the bodies, and it was just awesome and amazing and relaxing and everything you can imagine it to be. It was also quite hot and we're a little dehydrated, so we're gonna have our coconut water now. I also had a very powerful insight when we were meditating and getting our bodies soaked in turmeric and ginger and cloves. And the insight was, I have a fear of not being good enough. And that triggers that if I'm not good enough, then people will make fun of me. So a strategy I had developed so I don't get made fun of is to not be visible, because if I'm not visible, then nobody's gonna think I'm not good enough and nobody's gonna make fun of me. And I think it's a common thing that people have, but I kind of analyzed the sort of thought process that this thought leads to this thought, which leads to this, my mind telling me, hey, use this strategy, be invisible, so therefore nobody will make fun of you. So when I'm trying to, do things that I like to do or do things that I want to do or stand out there or help people, those are the kind of subconscious thoughts that are literally holding me back. So it's good to be aware of that and then be able to act on it in the moment, be aware of it, act on it, release it, and then step forward and move forward. By the way, that entire experience was 400,000 Indonesian dollars, which equates to exactly $28 for two of us, 90 minutes. Incredible.